Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a topic that has been stirring up excitement in the health world. How turmeric could be your secret weapon against joint pain. Be sure to stay till the end of this video to discover exactly how to harness the power of this golden spice to alleviate your discomfort and transform your well-being. I have been surrounded by spices all my life, whether it's been in my diet, my medicine cabinet, or just my everyday thinking. Growing up in India, spices were not just flavors, they were the stuff of legends. They were once worth more than gold and were used as remedies long before they became culinary stars. Turmeric, cloves, cinnamon, ginger, and black peppercorns have been integral in India and China for over 3,000 years. These weren't just spices, they were game changers. Now, let's spotlight turmeric, the superhero of the spice world. By day, it battles inflammation, and by night, it spices up your curry. I will admit, I even joked with my knee joints about whether to sprinkle turmeric on my salad or just rub it on my joints. But seriously, this isn't just a funny anecdote. There is science backing turmeric's potential benefits for joint pain. So what's the science behind this golden miracle? Turmeric's active compound curcumin. Curcumin has gained fame for its anti-inflammatory powers. It tackles inflammation by blocking molecules like cytokines and enzymes such as COX-2 that fuel pain and swelling. A 2016 study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food even found that curcumin was as effective as ibuprofen for knee osteoarthritis, minus the side effects. But there is a catch. Turmeric is notoriously hard for our bodies to absorb. To overcome this, many supplements add black peppercorn, which can boost curcumin absorption by an impressive 2000%. So if you are thinking about dosing up, remember, culinary use alone would not cut it. The effective dosages usually range from 500 to 2000 milligram per day, much higher than what you get from your favorite curry. And what about safety? Turmeric is generally safe in typical dietary amounts and very well tolerated even in higher doses. However, some might experience mild side effects like nausea or diarrhea. Also, if you are on blood thinners, be cautious as turmeric can have mild blood thinning effect. Remember, while turmeric can be a powerful friend in managing joint pain, it is not a cure-all. It is best used alongside other treatments such as physical therapy, weight management, and conventional medications. Always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any supplement, especially if you have existing health conditions or you are on other medication. Now you know that turmeric shows great promise as a natural remedy for joint pain thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties. Just be aware of the absorption challenges and choose high-quality supplements designed for better absorption. And as always, consult with your healthcare provider to ensure it is the right fit for you. For more tips and insights on managing your health, click on the link below in the description to sign up for our newsletter. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.